and then the trees that you will plant, you keep nurturing them.
Ireta njira ya gucakaya uria wari Prime Minister Raila Odinga, murugamiriri wa gikundi kia Green Africa Ndagitari KALUA Green, ni atongoririe miango ya uhandi wa miti ireta njira ya kuhe Odinga gitiyo. Akiaria mwena wa thiriva, KALUA augite manyitanĩire na kanitha wa CITAM kuria mahandite miti 80 kuringithania na miaka ĩrĩa Raila arahurũkire nayo.
80 trees on behalf of Raila Odinga. Just even as we remind ourselves, we planted 71 trees on behalf of Wangari Maathai. Today we plant 80 and hundreds more because of honoring the Plant Your Age campaign and for everyone to participate in this day.
KALUA augite Raila arari MURUMBUIYA wa maria MATURIGICIIRIE na uguo ni agireire gukungwirwo na njira uhandi wa miti hari thiku iri tigarite cia kumucakaya.
Zeal to protect the environment, the choice to lose elections and pick the environment. He fought for Mau. He set up what was best that is still remembered today that later became Kenya Water Towers Agency. He did quite a lot, and on matters of environment, I really honor him, and I believe it is an opportunity because he honored us. He chose to lose the votes against the issue of environmental conservation. The only way that we can honor him is to plant 80 trees in his commemoration.
NIAIKITIE RITANA kuri thirikari kugathika kundu gwa kuhanda miti mathukuru-ini ma university na college guku akiuria mbeu njithi mahimbirie murugamo wa Raila wa kugacĩrithia bũrũri wa Kenya.
Institutions of learning, institutions of corporate to establish Raila Green Corner, and we can be able to see him daily and stand for what he stood for. Churches are leading in this process, and it is part of the wider initiative of planting trees equivalent to your age, and therefore calling upon all Kenyans not only to plant trees in commemoration of Raila Odinga, but also to commemorate their own activities and life achievements for God's glory, because we are called to be stewards of the environment.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, jitagwo Wainaina wa AKIARIA.
At the center of the whole.